it is of 5-star and it uses less energy than a CFL, and also it has won a Good Design Award in 2015. So guys, this is a triple door refrigerator of Whirlpool, and this is the freezer. So this is for freezing the ice, and here for keeping the ice cream and making it freeze faster. So this is the ice tray. In this we can keep the ice cream for quick freezing if we want to freeze it very quickly or urgently, so we can keep it here. This is the ice cube tray in which you can fill the ice and you can take it out, and upside that ice cube we can round it and all the ice can come down and we can take it out from that one. And this is the quick freeze. We have to set normal, medium, max freeze, and if you will do max freeze it will freeze very quickly. So this is the feature of this freezer. And now it's the turn of fridge. So if you have to freeze, if you have to cool something very quickly, then you can keep that one up. Within 15 minutes it will be cooled nicely and fastly. These are the things for setting medium, less, max, and like that. And from here the coolness is coming. This is the lower cooling. If you do not want to cool something very cool and only you have to keep it fresh and like that, you can keep it down. These are the things for keeping the bottle and like that. Now last door, third door, means triple door, and this is of keeping vegetables fresh. So this is a fresh keeper here, this one, for keeping the vegetables fresh, and it keeps a vegetable fresh for 2-3 days, as much you will keep it. So this is the fridge video, refrigerator video.